Department of Development, siguro po ang dapat na manguna. Dahil natatandaan ko po yung mga Pangulo, pag binabago yung kanilang budget, talagang hindi sila pumapayag. Kahit magkaroon ng re-enacted budget, kahit na ma-delay yung approval, tatandaan ko po during the time of President Gloria, halos wala pong napapasa na budget on time dahil dito sa mga ganitong pagbabago sa President's budget. Ngayon po, unprecedented for 3 years, biggest budget cuts.
Kaya
1 trillion pesos. Imagine.
SDML
Gaano po kalaki yung
Erice,
1 trillion pesos.
just wanted to, may I request you to wrap up? One more question before we move to the next member.
Marami pa po akong questions, siguro po in the next round, but meron lang po isang bagay na kailangan po natin sigurong tanong. This is a policy question. Ban on transfer of appropriations, Section 25, Article 6, Section 26 of GAA, amending specific substantive laws and a number of legislations, Syntax, Reform Act, Train Law, Universal Healthcare, and a number of jurisprudence were violated by the reduction of complete defunding of budget or complete defunding of budgets of certain programs. If you knew this, you could have raised them before the legislator to stop the budget cuts. Are you also aware that some budget insertions that increase the earmark funds of certain programs and projects of departments and agencies in the special account in the general fund may have resulted in the GAA 2025 breaching the net? Mas malaki po yung inaprubahan na GAA kaysa National Expenditure Program. This is unconstitutional. Article 6, Section 25(1). Can you comment on this?
Ang karamihan ng katanungan po ninyo ay masasagot ng Kongreso at hindi ng Executive. Dahil karamihan nito ay nanggaling sa BICAM at hindi naman kasamang Executive sa BICAM.
But before the President should sign the GAA, siguro po dapat malaman niya kung talagang unconstitutional yung kanyang pipirmahan. Kung ito po ay sumobra, yung GAA po ay sumobra dun sa pernisinta ng executive na National Expenditure Program, ay dapat siguro po bago na pirma ng Pangulo ay napag-aralang mabuti ito.
From what I know, the President vetoed a portion of the budget and which reduced the General Appropriations Act.
He vetoed several items in Mr. Secretary, on the Department of Public Works and Highways. Dahil ito po ay maaring lumaki dun sa budget ng DepEd. Meron pong constitutional question dito. Pero po ang tinatanong natin ngayon, are you aware kung talaga bang yung ating GAA ay sumobra sa halaga ng ipresinta ng Executive Department na National Expenditures Program?
We are not aware, Mr. Speaker.
Maybe we can go back on this later because there were figures presented by one of our members during a privileged speech that shows that the GAA is bigger than the NEP. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you very much, SDML Erice. We'll now move to the next member to ask questions, the Honorable Toby Chanco from the Independent Bloc.
Yes, Madam Chair. The highlight of the President's SONA was nung sinabi na mahiya naman kayo, initiative, errata, or the boys SOP. So ang initiative at errata ay nanggagaling po yan sa Kongreso. Kaya nga medyo nahirapan si Sec. Ralph na sagutin kung paano nabawasan yung iba dahil talagang Kongreso po may alam yan. At dalawang pagkakataon po yan, sa BICAM at sa Small Committee. So I would like to ask the chair to furnish all of the members the signed report of the small committee for 2025. Wait, bakit gumagalaw yung oras ko? Hindi naman kasama yung sagot.
Thank you very much, Representative Chanco. The request will be put under consideration, and we will let you know if it's possible to...
No. Madam Chair, why should it be put under consideration? This is of public record. This is in accordance with our rules. That all committee reports must be given to all members. And that shouldn't be taken against my time because you're telling me that, teka, balik natin yung oras ko kasi sinasabi nila that will be taken into consideration. It should not be taken into consideration. Madam Chair, allow me to read this, no? Declaration of Principles and Policies. Section number 2 of our rules. Public office is a public trust. The House of Representatives and every member thereof are accountable to the people at all times. I will not read the ending portion. Number 3, efficient and effective access to and dissemination of appropriate and accurate information are imperative in lawmaking. So why should it be taken into consideration, Madam Chair?
This representation was not the appropriations chair at the time. So the person who's covering the jurisdiction of that particular document, that is a document within the purview of the 19th Congress. Given that we've now crossed over to the 20th Congress, we would need to consider that request.
Madam Chair, that's not acceptable. This is public records. Pareho pa naman yung COMSEC natin. At yan dapat linalagay sa archives. Do I have to read the rules again regarding archives of all documents? So may ang daming violation, Madam Chair. Walang record, hindi binigay. Ngayon, it's not readily available. Walang record sa archives. Ano to, sikreto?
Again, this representation was not the
let's ask the
appropriations
committee
chair.
Let's ask the
at the
committee
time.
secretary, where are the signed records of the 2025 small committee report? Madam Chair, simple lang to. Kung electronic copy, dapat lahat may electronic copy. So dapat i-email sa amin lahat within 5 minutes, di ba?
As a response to the Honorable Chanco, we will look into the records and
Madam-
look at the
Madam Chair.
particular item. The subject matter of today's hearing is the briefing on the 2026 budget. So this is an internal matter that may
No,
be
it's
taken
not.
up with the Committee on Appropriations
No, it's
separately. So
Madam
we would,
Chair, starting Wednesday, tatanungin natin yung mga departamento, paano nila ginastos yung budget nila. Paano natin sila tatanungin kung paano nila ginastos yung budget nila kung hindi natin alam paano sila nabawasan at paano sila nadagdagan.
we
So
will be able to scrutinize the performance of the different agencies as well as the utilization of the different line items based on the 2025 performance.
No.
So this does not preclude us from doing that scrutiny.
Meron ba o wala?
We would
Mer-
have to look into the records. May I ask exactly what you are asking for?
The small committee report of the 2025 budget. Let us just ask the COMSEC kung meron o wala. Kung meron, why was it not filed sa archives based on our rules 15 days after? So meron ba o wala? Simple. Kung meron, bakit hindi na file sa archives? Kung wala, I will let you proceed, Madam Chair. I will not hold this budget hostage. Gusto ko lang malaman, meron o wala.
The HGAB itself, the output of the small committee is already embedded into the HGAB itself. So that's the report. That's the output of the small
It's
committee.
not the report, Madam Chair. Based on our rules, each committee must come out with a report. No committee is exempted from coming out with a committee report. Please check Section 39 of Rule 9 of our rules. Kasi di ba kung meron, ang dali-dali naman, di ba kawala?
So the small committee is subsumed within the Committee on Appropriations, and it is the Committee on Appropriations who's required to submit the committee report. In this case, the report and the output of the Committee on Appropriations is the HGAB.
No, it's not. The HGAB is different from a committee report. Just like any other bill, the bill is different from the committee report. There must be a committee report included to the bill. It is not one and the same.
At the point of, after the committee hearings are done, the Committee on Appropriations comes out with a committee report, and then it moves to plenary, at which point we approve it, and the small committee works. So now, the output of the Committee on Appropriations, once that is elevated to the plenary, is the HGAB.
No.
So there's no other committee report that needs to be furnished by the Committee on Appropriations apart from the HGAB itself.
It is not exempted from our rules, Madam Chair. Maliwanag, Section 39. Gusto niyo basahin niyo? Okay. I will ask the committee secretariat, how many meetings were held?
There were 2 meetings.
2 meetings. Did you follow, nasaan yung minutes ng meeting? Where were the meetings held? What date? Madam Chair, I can read Section 39 of our rules to make it clear that the committee report is different from the HGAB, but I don't want it to take up my time. Iba po yun eh, kasi tignan nyo yung BICAM. Di ba may BICAM report? Doon sa BICAM report, ika muna, ba't umaandaw yung oras ko? Hindi pa nila natatapos yung isyong rineraise ko. Doon sa BICAM report, nakasulat, okay, yung BICAM report, pinipintasan natin. Pero yung BICAM report, may nakasulat doon kung alin yung nabawasan, alin yung nagdagdagan. Dito sa HGAB, wala tayong makita kung alin yung nabawasan, alin yung nadagdagan.
With the indulgence of Representative Chanco, so the COMSEC is currently looking into the specific request as well as the level of detail that you are requesting.
No, within 5 minutes, I need the committee report.
If we may please move on to the other questions
Yes,
while
but-
they're working on
Yes,
this.
I will. But if within 5 minutes wala yan, ibig sabihin wala yan, ngayon palang gagawa yan. Ang gusto natin na committee report is the same as the BICAM. Okay? The same as the BICAM. Nakasulat kung saan binawas, saan nadagdag. Okay, I will mention why it is very important. Okay, ito may 2 distrito, no? At sino ang nag-introduce ng amendment? May 2 distrito, hindi naman to kasalanan ng congressman doon sa distritong yon. Ang NEP nila is 2.530 billion. And then, pagdating sa GAA, naging 20.999 billion. Isa pa, 1.508583 billion sa NEP. Pagdating sa GAA, 20.795 billion. So, Tapos, ang pinasok lang sa BICAM dito is 5 billion and 4 billion each. So, ang napasok